Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know how you can send Solana from Binance to Phantom Wallet. So in that case, you have to first of all log in into your Binance account and make sure that you've already copied the wallet address from your Phantom Wallet. So what you have to do is you have to go ahead and log in into your Binance account. So when you're logged into your account, go to your icon from the top left hand side, and right on this page you have to go ahead and select deposit, or you could go to the profile and on this page you can select spot and trading. When you actually do that, here you need to go ahead and paste in select withdraw, and then you need to go ahead and paste in the wallet address that you've recently copied and select Solana. Once you've done that, you need to go ahead and initiate the transaction, read the terms and condition, and with that you'll have successfully sent Solana from Binance to Phantom Wallet. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.